Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Today I'm going to show you what I made for embellishments on the 11th. These are doily embellishments. I made them with a baby girl theme because I'm going to be working on a baby girl mini album, and so I wanted different ways to decorate the pages. So as you can see, there's the same color format, but they're all different. I'm showing you on the side what I started with. I first used a die cut machine and punched out a lot of the doilies and scallop circles, and then I punched out different shapes like hearts and butterflies and little tags. And then after that I went to the paper pad I was using and fussy cut some designs. Then I layered it all in, used a little bit of dimensional adhesive, and put it all on the doilies. So I wanted to show you real quick that it's a simple way of decorating the doilies, and you could use pre-cut ones, or if you have a die cut, you could use that. These will be great in the mini album, but they also could be used for a card, for a tag, or a gift bag or box or basket. So that is my embellishment for today. Don't forget to check out all of the other people listed below in this collab and see what they made for embellishments on the 11th. Have a fabulous day.